In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink Gmail accounts easily. We all know that having multiple Gmail accounts linked together can be quite convenient, allowing you to manage emails across different accounts with ease. However, circumstances change, and you might find yourself needing to unlink these accounts for a variety of reasons. Whether it's for increased privacy, organizational purposes, or simply a fresh start, the process can seem daunting at first. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step so you can confidently separate those accounts in no time. Let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Gmail's official website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your primary Gmail account, the one which is currently linked to other accounts and from which you'll execute all these actions. Bear in mind that you need to have access to this main account to proceed with the unlinking process, as that's where the settings will be adjusted. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your Gmail interface where you'll see an icon, typically your profile photo or the initial of your name. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you want to select the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. By doing this, you'll be directed to a new page that focuses specifically on your account settings. Here, you'll see a vertical sidebar on the left, filled with various options. You should select the tab that says Data Personalization. This section is crucial as it gathers all the essential privacy and personalization settings in one place, making it easier to manage your link accounts. Scroll down until you reach a section called Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for Your Data. Don't worry, these options aren't as drastic as they sound, they just encompass various management tools. Now, go ahead and click on Delete a service or your account. This might sound alarming, but trust me, it's simply the gateway to more granular settings. On the following page, look for the option named Delete a Google Service. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your Google account password once more, just as an extra security measure. Once entered, you'll gain access to a list of all the services linked to your account. Find Gmail on this list, and next to it, you'll notice a trash icon. Click on this icon, indicating that you wish to unlink your Gmail account from the main profile. A window will appear with detailed instructions on how to proceed with the deletion of this link. Follow the prompts provided, ensuring you read through each step carefully to avoid any potential hiccups. And there you have it. You have successfully unlinked your Gmail accounts with just a few clicks and a little patience. Remember, once you've unlinked these accounts, accessing emails from those accounts will now need to be done individually, so make sure you have access to their separate login credentials. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow.